Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to solve question number 2 and 3 of exercise 2.5. Question number 2 says express as rupees using decimals. They have given us 7 parts. Sorry, let me count. Yes, it is 5 parts. Each of them we have to convert into rupees using decimal points. If it is in paise, you have to use it in rupees using decimals, right? So let us start. First question says 7 paise. What we have to do? We have to express this in rupees using decimals. One thing you must be knowing that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. This you are knowing very well. So therefore, definitely 1 paise is equal to 1 rupee divided by 100, right? So if 1 paise is rupees 1 divided by 100, so 7 paise will be what? 7 paise is equal to 7 into 1 by 100, right? So what we will do? 7 into 7, 7 into 1, 7 divided by 100. So we got this. If we take it into the numerator, it will be 0.07. How you will do? 0.07. 2 zeros we have to take up. So you will do like this. So it is 0.07 rupees. Second question, it has given us 7 rupees and 7 paise. Rupees we are not going to convert, so we will keep rupees as it is. 7 plus 7 paise, 7 rupees 7 paise. So 7 we want as it is. Paise to convert into rupees, what we do? We multiply it by 1 by 100 so that it can convert into rupees. So we will get 7 plus 0.7. You have to transfer up. So it will be 7.07. How you are doing addition? 7 rupees was there, 7.00, that is 7 rupees, and 7.07, sorry, 0.07. So we will add them and we will get 7.07. So our answer is rupees 7.07. Third question. Third question is 77 rupees. 77 paise. Rupees we do not need to convert, so we will keep as it is. Plus 77 paise we want to convert, so we will write 77 into 1 by 100. Why? Because 1 paise is equal to 1 by 100. So 77 will be 77 into 1 by 100. So we will get 77 plus 77 ones is 77 divided by 100. If you carry these zeros up, what we will do? It will be 77 plus 0.77. And when we add them, we will get 77.77. How we are adding? 77 we can write as 77.00 paise and 0.77 paise. When you are adding two decimal points, make sure decimal point is below the decimal points, and whole number part, if you are following the whole number part as units place, and this one below the zeros. So we will get 77.77 rupees. Fourth part, it is 50 paise. And 50 paise, how we convert? 50 into 1 by 100. So we will get 50 divided by 100. 1 0 will cancel out. So it will be 0.5 rupees. Now fifth part. Fifth part is 235 paise. We have to convert it into rupees. So we will multiply it by 1 by 100. So it will become 235 divided by 100. If 2 zeros we are sending up, so it will be 2.35 rupees. Now solving question number 3, but for that let me write it down first. So question number 3 I have written. It says express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. Students, to understand this, I have already discussed it with you in 6th standard. Let me again show you. I have written in rough page. If it is given in kilometer or kiloliter or kilogram and you want to convert it into meter, liter or gram, you have to multiply it by 1000. Again, if it is given kilogram, kiloliter, kilometer and you want to convert it into meter, you will multiply that number with 1000. If you want to convert meter into centimeter, what you will do? You will multiply it by 100. And if you want to convert centimeter or centiliter or centigram into milliliter or milligram or millimeter, you have to convert or multiply it into 10. Same way, if it is given in milliliter or milligram or millimeter and you want to convert it into centimeter, meter, liter or gram, you have to divide it by 10. Same way, to centimeter from meter, you will divide it by 100, and meter to kilometer, you will divide it by 1000. Keep this in mind and we will follow. Here we have to express 5 centimeter in meter. So we will go like this. 5 centimeter is equal to centimeter to meter. Let us see. Centimeter to meter. What we have to do? We have to divide it by 1000. So what to divide? 5 divided by 100. Not 1000. It is 100. So it will become 0.05 meter. Sorry. It was in centimeter. So we have to convert it into meter. So it will become 0.05 meter. And now to convert 5 centimeter into kilometer, what we will do? We will multiply it by, divide it by 100 and 1000. So what we will do? 5 divided by 1000 and 100. So it will be 5 divided by 1 lakh. And putting these zeros up, what we will do? We will carry up. It will give us 0.00005. 40 and 5. Why? We have to keep 5 zeros up. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 decimal point with decimal point. So it will become 0.00005 kilometer. 5 centimeter to kilometer. Or you can convert it here also directly. Here it was 0.05 meter. To convert it into kilometer, what we will do? We will divide it by 1000. Centimeter it was already divided by 1000. So we will get kilometer. It will be 0. Again 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 and the 0.05 was there. So it will be like this. Hope you are understanding this question. We have converted 5 centimeter into meter and 5 centimeter into kilometer. Now moving to second question. Let me write it down here. So here is the question number 2. They are telling us express 35 millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. Here we are having 35 right now here. To go to centimeter, what we will do? We will divide it by 10. So let us move. 35 millimeter is equal to 35 by 10 centimeter. And what is the result? 1 0 will go up, so it will become 3.5 centimeter. Now here we are 3.5 centimeter. To convert it into meter, what we will do? We will divide it by 100. So let me take this number only, 3.5 divide by 100, it will give us meter. And what will be the answer? 0.035 meter. Why? Because point is here, we have to take 2 decimal points, so we will move 1 and 2 decimal point. Decimal will be here, so it will be 0.035. Now we are having 0.035 meter. We have to convert it into kilometer. We are here 0.035 meter. We want to convert it into kilometer. So what we will do? We will divide it by 1000. So 0.035 meter, divide by 1000, it will give us kilometer. Now we have to take 3 zeros up. 1 0 is already there, plus 3 zeros, so it will get 0.000035. 3 plus 1, 4 zeros. So this will be your answer. They have told us convert 35 millimeter to centimeter, to meter, and to kilometer. We have done this. So we have solved the 2 parts which are given in question number 2 and 3. In question number 3. Hope you have understood both the question number 2 and 3. We will meet with question number 4 in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.